Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturning. On behalf of myself and Mike Peace, I'd like to announce the results from the Christmas Ornament Challenge of 2019, our 8th Christmas Ornament Challenge.
We want to thank everybody that had an entry into this year's contest. We had a total of 48 entries, from novice to competent to expert.
I am always amazed at the skill demonstrated in the challenge.
I love to see new ideas and ideas that cross over traditional craft boundaries.
Next, we thank the 181 people who expressed their preferences in our voting for the Christmas Ornament Challenge. The voting adds another dimension of fun to the challenge.
It's far from precise, as we have no control over the precise criteria each individual used to vote for, but the results were surprisingly consistent.
Just to review, we asked you to select your top 5 choices and rank them in a comment below the video. We recognize that these were sometimes tough choices and you'd like more challenge categories, fewer categories, whatever. Still, we had to keep it simple.
It was difficult to choose where to close off exactly who the winners were. The ranking was very close. This year we had 6 overall winners and 6 honorable mentions.
In analyzing the results, the overall winner is very clear. Ellie Polite, number 48, with Organized Chaos, a beautiful segmented ornament. Frank Young, number 23, with Threaded Christmas Ornament.
Warnie T. Lohr Jr., number 22, with Away in a Manger. And Daniel Villarino, number 29, with Amazing Christmas Ornament.
James T. Carter, number 46, with Winged Ornament. Jose Esteban Cruz, number 6, with Light of Memories. These 6 earned the most votes. However, the next 6 will classify as honorable mention because they also earned a lot of votes.
Hans Peters, number 2, with Inside Out Combined. Blaine Peterson, number 19, with Oh Holy Cube.
Eduardo Torres, number 8, with 3 Wise Men. Ralph Burgos Pantoya, number 9, with Tradición Uno.
Patrick Hogard, number 18, with Cedar Root Ball. And Rodney Jewell, number 40, with Melting.
With all the hustle, bustle, and commercialization of Christmas, we decided we wanted to recognize the ornaments that help us to remember the true spirit of Christmas and point those out for a special note. In submission order, these are number 11, Tom Mitbo, Angels on High. Number 22, Wayne Valori Jr., Away in a Manger. Number 41, Sebastian Montecano, Angel. And number 42, Larry Klein, Star.
We would also like to recognize several, all from Puerto Rico, several of whom had a similar theme of wise men. They are Jose Esteban Cruz, Carlos Diaz Leon, Eduardo Torres, Ralph K. Burgos Pantoya, Mario Castro Torres,
Everyone who submitted an ornament will receive a certificate of appreciation for their participation and submission of their ornament, with special notation for those who gained the most votes.
Those who've submitted ornaments have given us all a special gift. They've given us of their time and their talent with no expectations of receiving anything. Please give them special thanks.
Again, a big thank you for everyone who either submitted an ornament to the challenge or voted on the results. You make this challenge a lot of fun. Be sure to review these ornaments and add these skills and talents to your repertoire for next year.
Plan now for next year. The contest will have similar rules and be at about the same time. Plan for the 9th annual Christmas tree ornament contest.
And with all the things going on at this time of the year, take time to appreciate the things that you have, to appreciate the relationships that you have, and ponder the true meaning of Christmas and how that applies to your life.
Merry Christmas.